Now I am at the Castrol oil change place. It costs nearly $100. It takes 8 liters for my Toyota Hilux. 8 liters of full synthetic. So for the service and everything, it comes to 3,000 baht, which is currently probably about, I don't know, 95 bucks. And why are we walking back here? Well, I'm going to show you the kind of oil that we're putting in. This is Castrol Edge Pickup. There's reflection on there. I don't know if you can read that. Pickup, I assume, is truck, which in Thai is road kaba. 6+1 liter. Lit. They don't say the R at the end. 6+1 lit 530 Castrol Edge for pickup trucks. I'm not getting the limited edition soccer branded oil. There's also Magnatec for SUV. Personally, when I'm in Thailand, I use Castrol oil and I use Shell V-Power gasoline exclusively. V-Power. If it lasts forever, well, it just means it's a Toyota. But if it lasts forever, maybe that had something to do with it. If it craps out on me after 50,000 miles, well, maybe no more Castrol or V-Power for daggity Dagwood. You know what I mean?
La la la, Dagwood streets. Do 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 Dagwood streets. I said la la la. Satu satu. La la la. Do do do. Do 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 Dagwood streets. I said la la la.
Speaking of tires, you know why the bicycle was chilling out in a hammock? Because he was too tired. Hey, maybe we'll get some cute girls coming by on a motorcycle. Well, that didn't take long.
Cruising with Dagwood. Daggity Dagwood. Oh yeah. Cruising with Dagwood. Daggity Dagwood. Cruising with Dagwood. Daggity Dagwood. Oh yeah. Get it, y'all. In Thailand, nah, nah, nah. Go get it, girl, in Thailand. Let's slide off to the beach. Show me what you got, yeah. Ooh, 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 keeping it funky, girl, in Thailand. Girly, girly, girl, nah, nah. Keeping it funky, girl, in Thailand. Girly, girly, girl, nah, nah, nah. Cruising with Dagwood. Daggity Dagwood. Oh yeah,